When you receive your new Viaterrra Spencer riding jacket, we recommend trying it on and adjusting the fit to maximize protection and comfort. Before wearing the jacket, we recommend loosening the cinch straps on each side of the sleeves, at the wrists, and on both sides of the waist. While checking or adjusting fit, we recommend being seated on your motorcycle or simulating your riding posture, since all Viaterrra riding apparel are pre-curved to offer the best fit and comfort while riding. Now, in this position, check that the armors are in the anatomically correct positions. Since every person's body is unique, the position of the armor will vary from person to person, especially at the elbow. There are a few things that one should keep in mind while experiencing this aspect of the Viaterrra Spencer riding jacket. The first is that the jacket comes with CE Level 2 Type B armors made by Sastec, a European brand that is widely considered to be one of the best in the world. Apart from being extremely light while still offering CE Level 2 protection, these Type B armors provide more coverage than Type A armors that are used in most other riding jackets. So, in case you feel that the armor fits differently compared to other riding jackets that you have used or tried before, this could be because of Type B CE Level 2 armors offering more coverage and protection every step of the way. The second is about the fit and position of the armor itself. The Spencer incorporates Viaterra's proprietary focus fit design to achieve the ideal fit and armor position. The elbow armors on the Spencer are positioned as per Sastec's recommended positioning chart, completely covering the elbow bone without cupping the joint itself. This is done to ensure that the armor moves with your arm instead of resisting or opposing the movement, which can easily happen when the armor is positioned higher. This critical detail makes a significant difference to comfort while riding without compromising on your safety. The focus fit design also ensures that the armor is held closer to your body to remain in the correct position during the ride. This again might feel different compared to the other jackets that you might have tried on or used before, but we are confident that once you get used to it, nothing else will be good enough. Depending on the length and girth of your arm, use the cinch straps on the bicep and forearm of each sleeve to bring the armor closer to your body. Adjust the zipper at the wrist to achieve a more comfortable fit. If the jacket is slightly loose around your body, you should also adjust the Velcro straps at the waist. Remember not to cinch too tightly at the waist, as this could cause the jacket to ride up and alter the fit completely. Ideally, after tightening at the waist, the jacket should continue to cover the waist and remain overlapped with your pants. Simulate your usual riding position to check comfort and dial in your fit. Wearing the jacket for at least 5 to 10 minutes usually also helps you get accustomed to the fit.